Hey guys, welcome to my channel Code Canvas. In this video, we will see one of the CSS property called bleed. So, the bleed property is for specifying space outside of the page box boundary when determining the size of a printed page. Okay, so how syntax it will be. So, for example, in CSS, it will be like at the rate page, okay, and left, and you can give a bleed, let's say 15 pixel. Okay, similarly you can give page top and again bleed 20 pixel. Okay, so you need to note one thing here. This is the blade CSS property is part of the media module level 3 specification, which is currently in a draft state. Okay, so bleed is not actually in practical use for now. It may be in future. Okay, so bleed has two values. First is auto, and the default value is 0. Okay, and second value is length, that sets how far outside the bleed area in each direction. Okay, here negative value is also accepted, but there is no standard for that yet. Okay, so the term bleed comes from printing, right? It is used to describe space that is designed beyond edge of the paper, so that when the paper is trimmed, the color goes all the way to the edge. Okay, so we can see this with proper example. Here you can see this is bleed area, right? This is the bleed area. This is marks, page box, and margin. So you might be wondering how it is useful for our web. So actually, it is not exactly for the web design, right? So the bleed has no bearing on what gets printed in the viewport. Instead, the at-the-rate page rule is used for printing web pages into physical paper, right? So having a bleed property gives us control in how web pages are rendered when printed, right? Such as establishing a bleed area that is intended to be cut off. You can determine that value. Okay, so this can be very useful when designing web pages that are used as marketing posters. Like so, it is useful on those cases only. Okay, so right now this bleed property is not supported by any browsers. IE, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. It is not supported by any browser because it is in draft state. But hopefully, it will be supported in near future. Okay, guys, that's all for this CSS property bleed. If you are new to my channel, you can visit my channel. There are multiple videos on JavaScript, CSS, HTML, WordPress, Node.js, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, you can leave your suggestions below the comment box. And that's all. Thank you for watching.